In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the AI difficulty on F1 2022. As you can see right now, I'm in the F1 2022 game, and let's say I want to start a new career mode. So what we can do, we can go to career mode. So this is just if you want to start a new race, then you can hit just single player, for example. Here I have my team, as you can see right there. If we just go back, let's go to solo. That's actually what I wanted to do. Grand Prix. F1 2022, and then choose, for example, Bahrain with George Russell. And then here we can see all those options. So here are the assists, the weekend structure. We want to go to simulation settings, and here we have the AI difficulty. As you can see right now, it's set to 31, and we can now move it around. But if you click this video and you have, for example, started a My Team career mode or a driver career mode, and you also want to change the AI difficulty, that won't be possible mid-game. So if you're right now driving and you pause the game to lower the AI difficulty, that's not possible. I can show you my team career mode to how to do it actually. So let's go to my career mode. Let's see, I can just hit enter right here. So this is right now in Australia, and as you can see, because I already started this Grand Prix, it's probably not going to work. So previously we could just hit tab or the option key on the steering wheel in order to pop up the settings, so we could actually change the AI difficulty, but that's no longer possible. As you can see right here, I'm now in the screen, so it's lagging a bit because I'm recording as well. But now, if we hit escape, and we hit escape again, you can see there's no option here to change the AI difficulty. You can only change it once a race is completely done, with like you've completely completed a weekend. Then in the HQ, you can go to settings and go to the weekend structure and change the AI level from there. So keep that in mind. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.